Hello, in front of me I've got Realme GT Neo 3. In this video I'll show you all unlock methods. In the beginning, let's go to settings, enter password and security, and go to lock screen password. Confirm with your current password. And as you can see right here, we've got three types of passwords: numeric, alphanumeric and pattern. Let's start with numeric. Enter use a different password type, and now we've got three types of numeric passwords: 6 digits, 4 digits and 4 to 16 digits. Let's go to 4 digits. And let's use it to unlock the phone. Now let's select 4 to 16 digits. And now let's select alphanumeric password. In the end, let's select pattern. Once it's done, we can go back and enter face unlock. Simply scan your face in this area. Now my face is scanned, I can use it to unlock the phone. And the last method to unlock the phone is fingerprint unlock. Simply scan your fingerprint on the sensor located at the bottom of the screen. Tap the sensor multiple times and each time try to adjust the fingerprint position. And that's it for unlock methods. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.